get on VelociCoaster. How bad can it be? Alright, here we go. So far so slow. We got raptors in this. Okay. Oh, we got actual raptors in there. Yo. They look nice. Probably want a crap, okay? What's that? No! What the? Oh, okay, okay. I changed my mind. Let me go. Let me go. Oh, no. Oh my God. Oh, woo! Should not have had breakfast, but whatever. Oh, hey, what's up, raptor? Oh, okay. Put me back on Hagrid's. Oh, no. Oh, slow down, right? Oh, yes! What the? Oh my God! Oh, another barrel! Okay, this is bad. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, that's a barrel roll, not a barrel roll. Oh my God. Clear. In my head.